Okay, here she is.
There we go. That's good. Right there.
Okay, that's
Okay.
good.
Yes. Now, what? Let me know when you're ready, and I'll guide you. Just let me know when you're fully ready.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm
Okay.
ready.
So what you need to do first and foremost, what has been her issue? I mean, what first of all, what has been her issue? What energy does she need to be clear out? What's been going on with her?
What energy you need to put on trapped emotions release? Trapped emotions.
Trapped emotions. Okay. So let's go ahead and then have you close your eyes for a second to get you zoned in. So go ahead and close your eyes and stay quiet for about a minute. And I'll let you know when to open your eyes nice and slowly. And get your third eye activated, get your two eyes activated, get your heart activated, your soul activated, and your spirit activated, and your hands as well. So just go ahead and relax and stay quiet for about a minute. I'll tell you when to open up your eyes, nice and slow. Okay, slowly but surely open your eyes. Now, can you hear me?
Can you hear? Mm-hmm. She said yes.
I'm talking. Well, right now I'm actually more talking to you, Jamie.
Oh yes, I can hear you.
Okay, now what you need to do, Jamie, is to look at your body, your daughter's body, but also look beyond that and scan. You either with your hands, or you can scan with your eyes, or your third eye, and see what you see that's incorrect. That needs to be taken out.
Okay. Um, feel is more around here.
Okay, so what you need to do is do this. Look at my fingers. Look at the camera. Look at me. No, go down, down. Okay, now where all that stuff you feel, start going like this, almost like you're mixing up cake, like dough, but you kind of like put it in a grabbing motion. So stick your fingers out like you're about to grab as well, like you're doing this. It's almost like you are scrambling, and go all over her legs too and her hands
Uh-huh.
like this, like you're mixing in the energies and you're compiling it. There you go,
Okay.
and then go to her legs too, and then collect that from there too. To her all the way to her bottom of her feet, and then go back to the back again.
Well, yeah, you can't see me doing feet.
I can see you. There you go.
Okay.
Now go back to the back and feeling like you're collecting a bunch of sludge along with other debris from the sludge. Okay. All
Oh,
right. You feel it now. Good. Now that sludge, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you're feeling a magnetic pull too, because what you're gonna do is, I see there's a window near you, right? So what you need to do is you
yes.
need to go ahead and you need to compile as much as you can and see if you can actually pull it out, but make sure you feel that pull, that magnetic pull, pull out that sludge, and immediately toss it out that window.
Okay.
So really feel that
This
energy
is
and
good.
pull it out. Like yank it out, just really pull it out and throw it out that window.
That's why I want to come down here with this big. I have a screen door and pull it out.
And pull out as much as you can until you feel for yourself that it's pretty much gone or all gone. So really getting into, even you have to use two hands to do it too, like a big energy ball that's a blob. Pull that out too. Two hands, you have to just throw it out.
Anything. want to open the chest area.
There you go. You're doing it. Like I said, oh wow. Hmm. You're both doing well. You're both doing great. This is some good stuff. You're doing great, Jamie. Just keep it up. Just keep pulling that out. Just take it, and throw it. Her heart chakra is also opening up too.
Huh?
Her heart chakra is also opening up as well. Really wider, and so is her other solar plexus. Her other chakras.
Yeah. Oh, there's releasing some emotions.
Oh yeah, this is strong stuff. I'm telling you. One of these days, I'm going to teach you some techniques more powerful than this. But for right now, this is a good start with what you're doing. This is an excellent start with what you're doing.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cleared it out, Fair.
Hmm?
Clearing out some energy.
Yep. And I'll be another clearing out to them. I'm going to teach you how to, just the way I did with you earlier. We're going to get even deeper too to make sure she, coughs it out. But once you're done, let me know. Just judge for yourself how much when you're done, and I'll guide you along.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So you're pretty much done now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, remember the tech. Now, did you? How much did you read down the manual regarding the coughing technique?
I read all of it. I
Now, did
read
you see the
all of
pic?
it.
Okay, now did you see the pictures of what the
Yes.
positions look like?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna either use either one hand or two hands to pressure point her around the tailbone area, near the tailbone, but a little bit away.
Is it like
Okay.
right here? Tailbone?
Yeah.
Do you see?
Yeah, I can see. Or no. Put the
Okay.
thing down. If you need help, here. Put the no the shirt. Take the expose it more.
Oh,
Take the shirt down.
okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I didn't think she was sagging. But basically, normally when there's different lines in a certain line area, that's where there's also a pressure point where they're wearing yoga pants and whatever. But right
Uh-huh.
now, I guess if you can find the tailbone, but be away from the tailbone just a little bit. There you go, around
Well,
that
right
area.
here.
Yes, you
Yeah.
press there, and then what you need to do is and then you also put your right hand on her heart chakra in her chest to push it out. No, not just not like push it out energetically, not physically. Energetically like this,
Oh.
so like really touching her, but almost like there you go. And then what you need to do is you need to tell her to breathe in and out,
Breathe in.
and then you instruct her to breathe in really deep.
Breathe
And
in.
then when I tell you to cough, you just cough. As matter of fact, man, let me go ahead and so go ahead and instruct her to keep breathing in a few times. Then instruct her
Okay.
to breathe in
Breathe
deep.
in.
And then tell you to cough. You cough, and you
Breathe
press it
out.
right there. You hold it down until she's done naturally.
Okay.
And I'll
Breathe
let you
in.
know.
Okay.
So go ahead.
Okay. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I'm gonna have you breathe in deep and then out. And then you're gonna cough. Okay. So breathe in deep, 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 and out and cough. Cough. Okay.
Okay, so one of the key things that I wanted to let you know, now you read the book. So basically have her do the same thing again until she has a big, huge sigh at the end when she's done coughing. So do it again with the
Okay.
breathing in and out and then breathing
Breathe
deep
in.
and have her cough again. So that was round
Okay.
one, now do round two.
Okay. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And we're gonna have you breathe in deep. Okay, ready? Breathe in deep, 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 deep. Now cough.
What do you feel? What do you see now?
Her legs were shaking a little bit, but
Yeah,
you get like a
keep the
jerk.
pressure on a little bit. Keep it for a while,
Okay.
just while she's releasing still, because she's going to release. So you see, there you go again.
My hand is tingling.
That means she's getting the healing going too. do it one more round.
Okay. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. We're gonna do a cough. So breathe in deep, 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 release cough.
Look out for the sigh. You just hear she really sighed strong at the end.
Yeah, she did.
Good. That means that part's over. So what you can do now do the healing. And you say you're taking quantum Reiki, right?
Yeah.
Apply that to her to your healing now.
Okay. Hold on, let me get my crystal. My hands are like, God, it's such a weird sensation. You can feel it.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
I think now,
You're turned on. You're
huh?
on.
Yeah, because I'm
You're
burning up. Yes. Is your body jolting a little bit? Huh? So I feel like it's like her body's jolting a little bit.
okay. Yeah, just yeah. It's getting a little intense, but that's kind of normal sometimes. Just be careful not to
Okay.
also control your emotions as well. Make it because sometimes you
Okay.
get like upset or two, you can also zap somebody. I've done that before. That's why
Okay.
I'm telling you. Not just while they're
Oh, okay.
healing. I'm talking about actually in the confrontations too. Remember I told you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I was wondering because I was like, I don't feel any emotion. Like I didn't feel anything because, I have to I can't be like emotionally connected in this process. So I just wanted to make sure because I don't
Well, I mean, you can
feel
do
any.
love, do the energy of love.
Yeah. Yeah, through love, yeah. But like not like I'm emotional, I want to cry, stuff like that. Like
Yeah,
not getting attached to that, but just
right.
doing what I'm here to
Exactly.
do.
Exactly.
Yeah, she stopped jolting now.
Mm-hmm. There you go. There you go.
And my hands are on fire.
Mm-hmm. I can see it. Good job, Jamie. You see now, you're doing it. You're doing it. And I'm gonna teach you how to clear
Yeah.
yourself after you're done with your session with her. I'm gonna teach you how you can clear yourself
Okay.
too in a very effective manner.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because that's why I don't really do this because I don't know how to clear myself without, getting somebody else's energy attached on it. But I know her and I, we're really connected.
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Hmm. Yeah. Good, good. Okay. Your body, you said your body feel clear? Okay. Oh, it was? You said her back was hurting earlier, but it doesn't hurt anymore.
Good.
So was it in this area where I was at?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I sensed that it was right here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I know. That's the energy flowing through my hands. Huh? It was more hot right there than it did in my lips. Yeah. You said my hands are hot.
Oh, I know. I heard. Yeah, they are. I see it. I can see the energy and the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
You're doing great. You're doing excellent. Now you're tapping into it, Jamie. Now you're doing it. It's all a matter of doing this more often so you can also, but it's also a matter of you trusting your ability and trusting yourself and trusting in the force that you can do it correctly and doing everything right. And you can be protected and everything else too.
Yeah.
That's what our goal comes down to. You just gotta
Yeah.
trust in yourself and
I'm a
trust in that.
mm-hmm. Have to do it. This is a starting process.
Yes. You're doing excellent for starting, something really challenging. Yes, that's excellent. You're doing it.
Ooh, and the really feeling it right here. Mm, I'm feeling that. Oh Lord, I am sweating out here.
Hmm. That's also your Kundalini energy really on the rise too, as well. In addition to what you're doing, because of that,
Huh? You said what now? My
Kundalini
Kundalini
energy is
rising?
also, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is just
Ooh,
working in unison with you right now. You're in it. You're in that flow now.
yeah. Nice. You okay?
Yeah, press it.
You feel like you need
Okay,
She
good.
just yawned.
Oh, okay. I think you can let go now.
Okay.
Just want to make sure because sometimes she starts coughing again. You just gotta press on it and let it,
Let it go.
Mm-hmm.
You all right? Yep, she yawning again.
That means she's getting sleepy. That means it's really working
Yeah.
what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
That means the energy is doing the work and you're doing the work. So it's excellent. And so is she, of course. She's, being receptive too as well.
Yeah. Right. Yawning again.
Yeah, she should
This is
go.
a
She
good
should take a nap
session.
or have her sleep
You
there,
right.
or have her sleep there. Either
Yeah.
way.
Yeah. Just like you want to rest here? She said, yeah. Just gonna
Yeah,
rest
that's what I
here.
thought. That's what I thought.
Yeah, I think I'm done, Bear.
Well, just
Hands and
close it out however you want to close it, and then after you're done, let me know. That way, I'll let you know how to clear yourself. I'll teach you. I'll show you, or at least I'll instruct you how to.
okay.
It's really simple, but most people don't know that. It's really weird. It's really weird.
Yeah. I'm just shielding her. I'm going to start using my light language. I'm gonna let you lay here, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm ready, Bear. I'm gonna come over here and sit
Okay,
down.
now go to any sink that's empty, or you
Oh,
go to
sink.
either go to the sink or either kitchen, bathroom, just some kind of sink.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go right here. Of course they didn't. And
Okay.
okay.
All right. Now here's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to get up a little bit so I can show you my hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
But here's the thing you're gonna do. You're gonna stand in front of the sink, right?
Uh-huh.
This with your hands. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna just spread get your legs standing up like a shoulder wide length. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put
Okay.
your hands like this. If you need to, you can close your eyes, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna feel that sludge, all that gook that you took out, that you've got.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna kind of like shoot it out like a shooting sludge, like it's like right. You're gonna shoot it up to the sink.
Uh-huh.
And you can close your
Okay.
eyes, you're gonna feel the sludge leaving your inside and your cipher out of your body. And not just on the physical level, but spiritual, emotional, and mental level as well. And then you're gonna shoot that sludge out. That nasty dark sludge. And it's almost like a waterfall, like you're making like a fountain or a waterfall, just shoot it out like and
Okay.
until you're gonna see light coming from your head, because the light is gonna come down to your head and clearing that sludge out too. And then the light takes over your whole body and the sludge leaves the whole body. Go ahead and shoot it out now.
Okay.
Really focus on that.
Okay. Okay. My body's jolting. Hmm.
You're a rare part. Yeah, that's how powerful you are. There you go.
Hmm.
Really shoot that shit out. Boom. And one of these days, so you maybe could even use that as a weapon, even.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I've used it as a weapon before. Not just on humans, but also on various entities that are non-human, like demons and stuff.
I was wondering how to do that.
You can shoot that, but I mean, there's always so much you can shoot out with with that sludge, but you can use that as a weapon too, if you know how to use it right, like anything else.
Yeah.
I'm telling you some serious secrets that
Okay.
I've really developed on my own and from other people in many years of this.
Yeah. I can feel it in my hands. Now they can calm down now.
And then I'll teach you, how to wash your hands once you're really done with all that sludge out of your system.
Okay.
So in case you don't have time to always do that, and also if you're in public places, you can go ahead and do it in the toilet or in where you don't where people can't expect you. You can do it in the toilet. And you can do that, and you can flush it down. Excuse me. Or you can even do it where the plants. Like if you're in the gardening, you can actually do it on the ground where the roots are at, and you can make the plants grow bigger. I did not learn this. Actually, one of my students discovered it for herself, and she did it. She plants gardens. She's a Native woman, Native American woman, and she actually does it to her garden, and then the fruits like grow like 3 times bigger than normal.
Oh wow!
Without any
well,
chemicals.
I'm not into gardening yet.
Well, any chemicals or nothing like that. So, that's the note for the wise there too with that.
She sometimes she just keep yawning and yawning. So like you just feel that it's out.
And not only you're gonna feel it,
gone.
but you can also kind of see the light coming and taking over where the sludge left off and pushing the sludge out even further as you're finishing it up. You're gonna feel and see the light as well. You're taking over the body to clean it out, basically.
Yes, I sense that. I can't see it, but I more like sense it. Like I can feel the energy shooting up through my head.
Good.
Through my head. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And you said I'm supposed to wash my hands as well.
Well, the energy is the best thing, but washing your hands can also do it too. So one of the other things you can do is just wash your hands, but make sure when you're washing that you're washing all the way to your elbows on both sides. Just wash your hands, kind of like what you do after you change your baby's diapers and stuff. Basically that. That's another good habit to do is also wash your hands.
Oh, that way well, I wash my hands.
You're cleaning out the energies, and so even though you already did it with the sludge, it's just good to just have an extra precaution and extra practice of cleansing.
Okay, almost like a doctor.
Yeah, like an energy hygienist. Yeah, and so this is energy hygiene basically too. We also teach that in our psychic protection too, energy hygiene.
Right.
Kind of like as a hygiene for the physical.
Energy
you gotta shower, sometime.
Yeah. Oh, I should have told her to drink some water in a little bit.
Well, once she gets up, she can do that. Right now, just let her body settle and rest.
She didn't got up. So she didn't got up.
Oh.
She up there yawning, but I'm like this. And she's like, I got things to do. I'll tell her to get some water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo, yeah. My temperature has come down now. Like first I was sweaty.
Yeah.
Hot. Wow, that was good. I haven't done that in a while there. It's been a while.
Well, I guess
drink some water.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, I'm done.
Oh, okay.
No, yeah, I'm done.
I guess you just needed someone to help you guide you probably better, to help you get the confidence and also get you to do it a certain way where you can be confident enough. And like I said, there are other powerful ways I got to take the energy out. However, I can still do it in just the way you do it too. And then it was really funny because last night when I was doing a bunch of hippies and I was like taking some energy out, they actually saw the fact that I was taking out electricity. They saw me pulling out like electrical currents out of certain people and stuff.
Wow. I can't see it with my eyes, but I can sense it, like I can feel it.
Yeah.
You see
it too.
No, that's oh, seeing it. Oh, when you see seeing it. Okay, she said that's seeing it. That's my daughter.
Oh, how you feeling?
I'm tired. He said, how you? I don't know. I feel like I'm tired. She said she feels like she's high or something. Like she's.
That's good. That's actually a good feeling to have. Actually.
Yeah.
That means you're really that means you're tapping into the spirit. You're tapping into the higher energy, to the higher force. So that's actually a good thing.
She said I might have opened up her third eye.
I almost said open, but
Or
it was blocked.
she said it was blocked, but she feel like it's open now.
Good, because there's all her chakras are open now too. Not just her third eye, but all of them are like good. They're
All of
lined
her.
up now.
Yeah.
And I haven't eaten anything either.
Yeah. And she said she haven't eaten today, so she's like in the energy. The last time I cleared out her chakras. We were feeling our chakras open at the same time. Like I'll feel something in my heart chakra, and then she would feel in her heart chakra. We'd be like, "Are you?" You know, it was weird. We were just synchronizing together.
Yeah.
It's kind of how we are, but yeah, she's. I can sense her energy has changed because when she came down here, she was like, "I'm ready to go. I got something to do now." She's like, "Ah, I'm nice," you know. She's giddy.
Yeah, I can see that. I can feel it too.
Yeah, she's giddy now. That was a good session. So I wanted her to, see it and feel it and see what I was doing. So because she's a little healer herself. Well, you already know that though, but I was like, yeah, it's just the way the timing worked out. Actually, she's supposed to be at work, and then they told her to come back home. So I was like, good, I can use you. You know, you could be. Let me use you as it. You know, so it worked out the way it's supposed to.